Movie Actor of the Year. This award honors the people's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional lead performances in films, deeply understanding the demands of their characters. And the nominees are Alden Richards for Hello, Love Again, Jeff Moses for Under a Piyaya Moon, Vice Ganda for The End the Breadwinner Is, Seth Fideline for My Future You, Win Metawin for Under Parallel Skies, Dennis Trillo for Green Bones. And the VPCA Movie Actor of the Year goes to Vice Ganda for The End the Breadwinner Is. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, VP Choice Awards, for the recognition Movie Actor of the Year for the movie And the Breadwinner Is! Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala ninyo sa aking pagganap sa napakakulay na karakter na si Bambi para po ito sa Filipino breadwinners at sa lahat ng mga nagsusumikap para sa kanilang pamilya. Hanggang sa susunod na kwentong ibabahagi namin sa inyo. Maraming salamat po, VP Choice Award.